Welcome to the third video for the Code Your Christmas workshop. In this video, we'll be looking at how to draw this candy cane using Python Turtle Graphics. Now, although we are using a computer, we cannot draw the bow because you cannot draw complex shapes. The only curves you can draw in Python Turtle Graphics are semicircles, circles, and then quarter circles. So the first thing that comes up is the grid, which is drawn very quickly. Then next we draw the vertical lines. And then the semicircles. Next we draw the stripes. And with that, we are done. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for the training program.